So may kumakalat ngayon ng mga alien na church. Ganito yung itsura ng loob ng church nila. Siyempre, sino na naman yung minamak, ginagaya? Siyempre yung nag-iisa, tunay at buhay na Diyos. Jesus Christ, nasa cross. And interesting kasi sabi nila, by 2027, mas lalong magpapakita na tong mga aliens na to. At meron silang actually nilalagay na chip sa kanang kamay nila, which pag binasa nyo yung Revelation 13, di ba? About the mark of the beast, may lalagay yun sa kanang kamay at sa noo. Panoorin nyo na lang yung clip.
A couple weeks ago, I came across an alien church in downtown LA. The owner ended up coming across the video, and he sent me a DM asking me if I wanted to come back in for an interview. To be honest, at first, I didn't know if this place was a giant troll or if they really thought that an alien died on the cross for our sins. Until we started talking to some of the members.
2027, they're gonna show themselves more boldly to the world. Yeah, and it's gonna be a lot more undeniable.
What's your biggest goal?
Of the church is to develop this technology. We want this chip to read our blood pressure. It's gonna read adrenaline in your blood. So this chip is gonna allow us to end with crime.
We met a member that showed us this magnet in his hand.
Alien implant. It's connected to my blood veins and it's magnetic.
When you were
Discovered it
7?
When I was 7 years old. I don't know how long I had it, but that's when the magnet stuck to it.
This was starting to freak me out, not gonna lie.
I've seen UFOs.
Sorry.
I've seen some crazy stuff, and I think this has something to do with it. I have no remembrance of being abducted, but ever since I discovered this when I was 7 years old, I've had supernatural, strange experiences. Every doctor said this is basically, it's very strange and impractical.
He even showed us the x-ray he got done, and then this weird octagon bump he had on the back of his head that he was born with.
Almost impossible to conceive of.
Things got weirder though, so follow for part 2.
Narinig nyo naman, alien died for our sins daw. So obviously, they are deceived. At ano na yan parang nire-repackage lang ni Satan yung mga deception. No? Ancient deception meron na yan dati. Ngayon lang may mga technology na tayo. Ito yung mga doctrines of demons. Mag-iingat lang, lalo sa mga, kung may mga anak na kayo na maliliit, sa mga napapanood nila. Kasi kahit nga matatanda, nadedeceive yung mga conspiracy theory na napapanood sa mga social media, naniniwala agad, di ba? Yung mga Anunnaki, mga Book of Enoch, laging babalik sa Bible, no? Doon yung truth. Sabi ni Jesus, I am the truth. John 1:1. In the beginning was the Word, and the Word was with God, and the Word was God. Jesus was the Word. That means, yung Word, ang katotohanan, lagi tayong babalik doon. Kahit nga yung previous na content natin, yung Madi, nandito na sa Pilipinas yon at may mga followers na yun na Filipino. So ingat lang, no? Lagi nyong gabayan yung mga anak ninyo or kasama nyo sa bahay. Be the salt and the light. God bless.